my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near, every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sound, all the love we ever found. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the tide we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memories drift away. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Feel that breeze, soft wind moving through your hair. Island feeling everywhere, eyes meet under golden light. Everything just feels so right.
No more words we need to say, let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone, you're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Reese connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
soft and low,
moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels understood.
baseline deep like endless sea,
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
island breeze connection, pure reflection,
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
island breeze connection, no direction,
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Blue horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Baseline deep but barely there. Still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon,
we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling begging us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue. Every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time. Everything just feels alive. Close your eyes, feel it near. Nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift, moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift, moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Drift away, slow. How it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the
the sound, peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air, no more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow. The pure emotion, let your worries fade in the light and shade. Slow motion, motion, paradise.
Shadows stretching down below. No agenda, nowhere to be. Just the shade and the sea. Gentle wave, steady sound. Peace is all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Lazy, drops, every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat, sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound, good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Yeah. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment intact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. Beachside groove session, feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Yeah. All night. Yeah. All night. Golden hour, let it drift. Sun goes down in slow motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drift, let it flow, there's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow, let the island take control. Golden hour drift, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go, this is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour trip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour drift, golden drifting slow. seem to end, moments we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue, every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time, everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes, feel it near, nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Echo guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow.
Sunset low, feel the groove, yeah. Golden sky, fading light, holding you just feels so right. Soft wind blowing through your hair, island love is everywhere. Colors painting in the sky, moments we can't let go by. Every second feels so true, all I need is you.
Stay right here, don't let go. Let this feeling slowly grow. In this vibe we can see, this is where we're meant to be.
Sunset lovers groove, got nothing to prove. Let the music play till it fades away. Sunset lovers groove, every little move, feel the rhythm tight in the golden light.
Steel drum shining soft and bright, dancing through the fading light. Heartbeat moving with the bass, lost inside your warm embrace.
Ocean whisper in the back, keeping every moment tagged. Simple love, pure and free, that's our melody.
When the sun goes down tonight, we still glow in amber light. Even when the day is gone, this love keeps going
my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back. Every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sun, all the love we ever found. Soft sand memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the time we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memories drift away. Oh. Slow time, yeah. Reflection, quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea, like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Peace within your mind. Calm tide, reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide.
had planned. Slow tide, let it ride.
Yeah. Golden hour. Let it drip. Sun goes down in slow motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drip, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. feel the tone. You're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground. Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low, moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels undisturbed.
Baseline deep like endless sea, pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away.
Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be. Feel that breeze, breeze connection, love. Breeze connection, love. Drifting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loop, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop, in a steady groove. Let it play again, like a snooning wine. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day, let it carry you away. Round and round the feeling goes, like a song you always know. In this cycle you can see, this is pure simplicity. Again, again, again. Tropical daydream loop, in a steady groove. Let it play again, like a soothing rhyme. Tropical music loud, good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean.